So you just watch a 2-minute and 32-second video of this Desert Eagle, but the video doesn't show most of the gun. It only shows how the gun shoots, and this is the important part. So the features of the gun is the sights, a trigger, and a safety. I didn't show you how the safety works. Now I'm gonna show you. When the safety is on this, you can rack the slide. It's locked. You can rack the slide, but you can still press the trigger. When you move it up, you can, move the slide just like so. I didn't have the space to make the slide lock though. So this is the magazine, and you're gonna put it in just like so, and then like this. This gun has more than you think. This gun is extremely accurate. Okay, hold up. Just like that. Just like that. Oh, come on, man. Yeah, that's what I like to see. To give you the idea of how long I am standing from the target. So I'm staying right here, and see how many foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 feet from the target. Yeah, here the dago is where I stand at, and there's the target. It's actually quite far though. The tutorial is at, I don't know, 490 subs or 500 subs. I don't know. This is a stupid behind the scene how I make the video. Collecting bullets with my feet. I don't know why am I even recording this video. Yeah, I just feel like it. Gonna show you my Lego rooms. Some people say my Lego room was messy, but no, it's actually cleaner than you think. You see, I sort Lego by categories. You see? My Lego guns. Also my Lego guns. Here are all the Lego boxes. Here's my room. See that? What does it call? I don't know. But no, it's my achievement it's my achievement when I was at school. All my guns are here. Most of them are destroyed. These HK416. Yeah, it's completely annihilated. This one's still working, but I didn't fix it for a long time. The off still work perfectly. This is my old camera holder. It's completely broken, so I just bought a new one. Got a lot of unfinished project for you guys to see though. So yeah, I'll be back with another video,